Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel Masterclass with Tapar. This is a place for new age management skills and lifestyle tips for budding managers like you all. So, we all want to be a successful manager, but to become a successful manager, you must adopt key habits that will allow you to accomplish your goals and bring out the best in you. So watch my video till the end and subscribe to my channel Masterclass with Tapas. So let me discuss 25 habits that successful manager must have. First, they set smart goals. Success requires dedicated work. Successful managers write their goals and map out key steps that they must take to get closer to their goals every day. Then they manage their time. Time is precious and valuable. Successful manager manage their time effectively by cutting out activities that do not align with their goals. They invest in others. Successful managers continue to invest in others. Investing in others includes encouraging, coaching, mentoring, and sponsoring future leaders. Then they communicate effectively. Successful managers are good communicators. Effective requires asking question. Good communicators also respond to question asked. They share information that will benefit others. They focus on the big picture. Successful managers engage in strategic planning and effective implementation. To do so, they broaden their perspective to understand how all the pieces of the puzzle to be put together. They invest in their profession and personal development. Best managers always understand the importance of investing in their professional and personal development. They need to read books, attend seminar, or seek advanced courses. Continuing education enhance their credential and allows them to stay at the top of the trend that will impact their areas of expertise. They take risks. Taking risks builds confidence and sharpness one's ability to be decisive. Successful managers are willing to try new things and experiment with new ideas. They have integrity. Successful managers demonstrate consistency between their words and their action. They walk the talk. Their consistent inspires others to trust them and their ability to lead. They are disciplined. Self discipline is the important leadership attribute. It requires engaging in consistent action even when you don't feel like it. Self discipline fuels successful manager's sense of determination and allows the manager to achieve goals. They are strategic. Strategic leadership requires thoughtful analysis, planning, and execution. Successful manager invest time to think through various scenarios and consider consequences of potential action. They must ask for feedback. You can say the only way to discover your strength is through feedback analysis. Successful managers continually seek feedback to improve their performance and enable continued success. They seek advice. Thriving managers seek advice to make effective decision making. Knowledgeable advice allows leader to learn more about blind spots. Receiving guidance enhance manager leadership style by offering a different point of view, or you can say out of the box thinking. They promote collaboration. Successful managers require engineering with others, inspiring them towards a shared goal. Sharing information, inviting others to participate, collaborating build trust within the team and a common sense of purpose. They are visible. Successful managers are visible and create visibility opportunity for their teams. Visible facilitate connection points with others, spurs interaction, provides platform to showcase their talent. They are respectful of others. Trust and respect are the fundamental to effective leadership. No one likes to be disrespected or disintegrated. Successful managers are courteous and considerate of others. Genuine regard for others engenders loyalty and foster mutual respect. They promote their team's accomplishment. Everyone wants to be part of a winning team. Giving other credits, acknowledging their accomplishments are two ways that successful manager create high achieving team. Promoting their team accomplishment encourages momentum for the future achievement. They build a good network too. Good networking is an important for career and personal advancement. Successful managers work strategically, build network that support their personal and professional goal. They position themselves for the future in ever-changing workplace that is increasingly being impacted by the technology and the global pandemic. Positioning oneself for the future is critical for career and team success. Successful managers stay on the top of the industry trend and by reading periodicals, attending conference, and through networking. They also seek opportunities to share what they learn with the team members and incorporate new methods into their work processes. Then they navigate office politics. Successful manager embrace office politics. They understand that office politics is a fact of life, but they also understand that navigating office politics does not require that they violate their personal values. Rather, they respect their organization culture, strategically build their network, and interact sincerely to influence the other effectively. They manage conflict too. Workplace conflict is inevitable. Rather than avoid conflict, successful manager seeks to address difficult situation professionally and respectfully. They engage into difficult conversations. They admit mistake. We all human beings making mistake is part of life. Effective leadership calls for transparency and accountability. Successful managers therefore admit their mistake, learn from them, and do the better next time. They are humble. They avoid or admit mistake. Making mistake is a part of life. Effective leadership calls for transparency and accountability. So learn from them and do the better next time. They are, you can say, honest. Many associate humility with weaknesses, but in fact humility is the ability to create own strength and limitation. It takes sober judgment and confidence of self-assessment. Genuine humility is an attractive quality and inspire an environment of honesty and trust. They strive for work-life balance. Maintaining a high-performance work culture requires work-life balance. The best managers work to ensure that their teams stay engaged, encouraging time off and leading by example. All leaders need to time to recharge, taking time off, rest, connect with the loved one, and pursue personal interests, put work perspective, and make managers more reliable or relatable as people. They support their teams. Managers cannot succeed without the support of their team. The best managers empower their team by allowing them to take ownership for their work. Successful managers provide their teams with encouragement, tools, resources they need to get their job done. They say thank you in the performance driven workplace. Expressing gratitude is often overlooked. Thanking others for their contributions and make them encouragement is the way to go. Saying thank you takes a few seconds of time, but the impact costs a lifetime. So if you all like my thoughts, give my channel a huge thumbs up, share it, subscribe it. Till I meet next, bye for now. Thank you.